Hello everybody and welcome. Today I'm going to show you how to install Soundcore application for the speaker Soundcore Boom 2. You have to start by opening Play Store, and on the top you can see a search, so click on it. Next write Soundcore and choose Find. We can see an application, so we should install it. It starts installing. Now open it. Choose Agree. And here we go. We just installed Soundcore application for a speaker Soundcore Boom 2. Thank you for your watching. If you find this video helpful, please consider subscribing to the channel and leave the like on the video. It's really important to us. See you next time.